In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use tags on Constant Contact. Tags are a simple way to organize your contacts so you can find people faster and manage your email marketing more efficiently. Think of a tag as a label you attach to a contact, like new lead, customer, or event attendee. Once contacts are tagged, it becomes much easier to filter, sort, and keep your database clean and organized over time. To get started, log into your Constant Contact account and go to the main navigation. Click Contacts to open your contact list. This is where you will select the people you want to label. Next, find the contacts you want to tag. You can scroll through the list or use any search or filtering tools available on the page to narrow things down first. When you are ready, check the box next to each contact you want to update. You can select one contact or several at the same time. Taking a moment to verify your selections helps you avoid tagging the wrong people, especially if you are working with a large list. With your contacts selected, look for the Actions menu. Click Actions, then choose Add Tags. This opens the tagging option for the contacts you just selected. Now you will either choose an existing tag or create a new one. First, look at the drop-down list of tags. If the tag you want already exists, select it from the drop-down and click Add. Constant Contact will apply that tag to every contact you selected, which is a quick way to label a group all at once. If you do not see the tag you need, type a new tag name into the field. When Constant Contact prompts you to create it, confirm the creation. Keep tag names short and consistent so they stay easy to scan later. For example, use a single naming style like Webinar March instead of mixing formats. Once you have added the tag, you can repeat the same process anytime you need to apply different tags to different groups. That covers everything you need to know.